Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand on the battlefield of the mind, facing an adversary that often goes unseen, but strikes with profound force. Mental health challenges. Just as heroes rise to face external threats, we must become the heroes of our own minds. In this quest, courage is our armor and compassion our sword. We are not defined by the shadows that linger within. Instead, we find strength in acknowledging the battles we fight internally. Let us cast away the stigma that shrouds mental health and embrace it as a vital aspect of our well-being. In the darkest corners of our minds, we discover resilience, a force that transforms suffering into growth. Each challenge we encounter becomes a stepping stone, a testament to our indomitable spirit. Remember, heroes are not born in the absence of adversity. They emerge stronger, forged by the fires of their struggles. Self-care becomes our compass, guiding us through stormy seas. Just as a hero tends to their wounds after battle, we too must nurture our minds, seek refuge in mindfulness, exercise the muscles of gratitude, and let the sunlight of connection pierce through the clouds of isolation. To those who feel like they're drowning in the depths of despair, know that asking for help is not an admission of defeat, but a courageous act of self-love. There is a strength in vulnerability, and there are countless hands reaching out to lift you from the abyss. Together, we break the chains of silence that bind us. Sharing our stories is not a sign of weakness, but a proclamation of strength. Let us build a fortress of support, a sanctuary where no one fights alone. For in unity, we find the power to dismantle the barriers that keep mental health in the shadows. As we embark on this heroic odyssey, let us be vigilant in our empathy. Be the hero who listens without judgment, who extends a hand when others stumble. Let us be the champions who fight not only for ourselves, but for the countless souls grappling with the silent storms of the mind. In the end, our collective strength will become a beacon, dispelling the shadows that obscure the path to mental well-being. We are the heroes of our own narratives, and together we shall